Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on improving time management skills. In today's fast-paced world, effective time management is crucial for personal productivity, success, and well-being. Whether you're a student juggling academics, a professional balancing work and personal life, or someone simply seeking to make the most out of each day, this guide will provide you with actionable strategies to enhance your time management skills and achieve your goals. Time management skills enable you to utilize your time efficiently, prioritize tasks effectively, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By mastering time management techniques, you can increase productivity, reduce stress, and accomplish more with less effort. Step 1 in understanding time management. Let's begin by defining what time management is and why it's essential. Time management involves planning, organizing, and prioritizing tasks to make the most effective use of your time. It empowers you to allocate time for important activities, avoid procrastination, and achieve your goals with greater efficiency. Effective time management enables you to stay focused, meet deadlines, and maintain a sense of control over your workload. Conversely, poor time management can lead to stress, missed deadlines, and feelings of overwhelm that leads to detrimental effects on mental and physical well-being. By gaining a deeper understanding of time management principles, we can opt to improve the way we allocate our most precious resource. Step 2. Identifying your priorities and goals. The first step in improving time management skills is to identify your priorities and goals. Reflect on what matters most to you and what you want to accomplish in the short term and long term. Consider your personal and professional aspirations, as well as your values and passions. Once you've identified your priorities and goals, break them down into actionable steps and tasks. Be specific about what you want to achieve and set realistic deadlines to keep yourself accountable. By clarifying your objectives and breaking them down into manageable tasks, you can create a roadmap for success and stay focused on what matters most. Step 3. Planning and organizing your time. Once you've established your priorities and goals, the next crucial step is to plan and organize your time effectively. This involves creating a structured framework to allocate your time efficiently towards achieving your objectives. Start by breaking down your goals into manageable tasks and assigning them specific time slots in your schedule. Whether you prefer digital calendars, planners, or task management apps, find a system that works best for you. Prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance, tackling high-priority items first while allowing flexibility for unforeseen circumstances. Time blocking, a technique where you allocate specific time slots for different activities, can help optimize productivity and focus. Be realistic about your time estimates and avoid overcommitting yourself. Schedule regular breaks to rest and recharge, ensuring a balance between productivity and well-being. Regularly review and adjust your schedule as needed, identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your workflow. Reflect on your progress towards your goals and make any necessary adjustments to stay on track. By planning and organizing your time effectively, you can maximize productivity, reduce stress, and make meaningful progress towards your goals. Step 4. Implementing productivity techniques. Now that you've planned your schedule, it's time to implement productivity techniques to optimize your efficiency and focus. These techniques are designed to help you make the most of your time and energy, ensuring that you stay on track towards achieving your goals. Experiment with different productivity methods to find what works best for you. The Pomodoro technique, for example, involves working in short bursts of focused activity followed by brief breaks to maintain concentration and avoid burnout. Use productivity apps and tools to streamline your workflow, track your progress, and eliminate distractions. Set reminders and deadlines to stay accountable and motivated, breaking larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps for easier management. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency, focusing on high-impact activities that align with your goals. Practice time management principles, such as batching similar tasks together, setting boundaries to minimize interruptions, and practicing the 2-minute rule for quick tasks. By implementing these productivity techniques consistently, you can boost your efficiency, reduce procrastination, and accomplish more in less time. Regularly evaluate your productivity methods and adjust them as needed to optimize your workflow. Stay open to new strategies and innovations, continuously seeking ways to refine your approach and enhance your productivity. By incorporating productivity techniques into your daily routine, you can maximize your output, minimize stress, and achieve greater success in both your personal and professional endeavors. Step 5. Practicing time management strategies. Consistency is key to effective time management. Once you've identified your priorities, goals, and productivity techniques, it's essential to practice them consistently to reap the benefits and maintain momentum. Establish a daily routine that incorporates time management strategies into your schedule. Set aside dedicated blocks of time for focused work, breaks, and relaxation to maintain a healthy balance and avoid burnout. Use time tracking tools or apps to monitor how you spend your time and identify areas for improvement. Analyze your productivity patterns and adjust your schedule accordingly to optimize your efficiency and effectiveness. Stay committed to your time management goals, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Practice resilience and adaptability, seeking alternative solutions when faced with unexpected challenges or distractions. Celebrate your successes and milestones along the way, acknowledging your progress and growth. Recognize the impact of your efforts and the positive changes in your productivity and overall well-being. Hold yourself accountable for sticking to your time management strategies by setting goals, tracking your progress, and seeking support from friends, family, or mentors. Join productivity communities or accountability groups to connect with like-minded individuals and share tips, resources, and encouragement. Surround yourself with positive influences that motivate and inspire you to stay focused and disciplined. By practicing time management strategies consistently and integrating them into your daily life, you can cultivate habits that support your long-term success and fulfillment. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and watch as your productivity and efficiency soar. Step 6. Evaluating and adjusting your approach. Continuous evaluation and adjustment are crucial components of effective time management. As you implement time management strategies, it's essential to periodically assess their effectiveness and make necessary adjustments to ensure optimal productivity and well-being. Take time to reflect on your time management practices regularly. Consider what's working well and what could be improved. Analyze your accomplishments, challenges, and areas where you may be falling short of your goals. Seek feedback from trusted sources such as colleagues, mentors, or productivity experts to gain valuable insights and perspectives. Use this feedback to refine your approach and make informed decisions about how to better manage your time and resources. Be open to experimenting with new time management techniques and tools. Stay curious and proactive in seeking out innovative strategies that align with your goals and preferences. Don't be afraid to abandon strategies that aren't serving you or adapt them to better suit your needs. Embrace a growth mindset and view setbacks or failures as opportunities for learning and growth. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to refine your time management approach. Remember that effective time management is a journey, not a destination, and that continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Conclusion. Improving time management skills is essential for maximizing productivity, reducing stress, and achieving your goals with clarity and purpose. By understanding your priorities, planning and organizing your time effectively, implementing productivity techniques, minimizing distractions, and evaluating your approach regularly, you can make the most out of each day and create a life of success and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and productivity. Share your experiences with improving time management skills in the comments below. And remember, with dedication and consistency, you can master the art of time management and unlock your full potential. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.